In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications for Proton Mail using Google Chrome. If you want to stay on top of your emails and never miss an important message, you're in the right place. We'll walk through how to enable notifications in a few simple steps, ensuring you're always updated with any new emails that come your way. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Chrome is a widely used web browser known for its speed and efficiency, making it a great choice for managing your email communications. Once you have it open, navigate to the Proton Mail login page and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're not familiar, Proton Mail is a secure email service that provides a high level of privacy and encryption, perfect for those who are serious about protecting their personal information. After logging in, you'll want to locate the gear icon, which is the entryway to your settings. This icon is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to a variety of settings options that customize how you interact with Proton Mail. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications. This section is key to ensuring you're always in the loop when it comes to new messages. Clicking on Notifications will present you with several options to tailor how you receive alerts. Now, to enable email or desktop notifications, you'll notice there are toggles next to each option. If you prefer being alerted via email for new messages, go ahead and switch the toggle to enable that feature. Similarly, if you find desktop notifications more immediate, toggle that option on as well. Desktop notifications are particularly handy if you spend a lot of time on your computer, allowing you to see new messages as they come in without needing to constantly check your inbox. While toggling these options, keep an eye out for a prompt in your browser requesting permission to display notifications. This is an important step, as Chrome needs your consent to show alerts on your desktop. Make sure to allow this permission, otherwise you won't receive the updates you just configured. Once you've set everything up to your liking, don't forget to save these settings. This crucial final step ensures all the changes you made take effect. After saving, you should begin receiving notifications for new emails, keeping you informed and ready to respond promptly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively set up notifications for your Proton Mail account using Chrome. This setup will help you stay connected and never miss an important email again. Feel free to revisit this video